Good day, fellow students. My name is Mohammed Mohammed, and today I'm presenting on the topic the impact of information and communication technology on the environment. Information and communication technology, also known as ICT, refers to the technology such as computers, smartphones, internet, software, and communication networks that help us collect, process, store, and share information. ICT has transformed education, business, healthcare, and communication. However, it also has both positive and negative effects on the environment. Positive effects on ICT on the environment. One, reduces paper use through digital documents, email, and internet. Two, reduces travel by enabling online meetings and remote work, which lowers fuel consumption and air pollution. Three, improves environmental monitoring by using sensors, and data analysis to track climate change, weather, and natural disasters. 4. Support smart energy management, helping homes and businesses, reduces electricity consumption. Negative impact of ICT on the environment. Electronic waste, pollution and e-waste, is created when old phones and other devices are discarded. 2. High energy consumption by data centers, communication networks, and electronic devices. How we can reduce the negative effects? 1. By recycling electronic devices properly. 2. Repair or donate instead of throwing them away. 3. Turn off devices when they are not used to save energy. 4. Support environmental friendly technology and renewable energy sources. In conclusion, ICT has greatly improved our lives and can help protect the environment when used responsibly. However, it also poses environmental challenges such as e-waste and high energy use. Thank you for your attention. I'm happy to answer any questions. Amen.
Amen.